All right, folks, welcome to the Fearless Beaver Survivor Gear channel once again. And today I'm going to showcase a spork. I don't know if a spork is its official name, but that is what I call it. Now let's see why I call it that. Let's unravel this packaging here. Here we go. So this is a spoon and a fork in one. And there's also a can opener and well, if you choose to have a fizzy beverage, there's an opener for that as well. Really nicely coated, very light. This is super light. So why do I put these in my packs, or why might you need one? Well, you never know, right? You're out there stranded somewhere and you just need an item. Maybe your hands got dirty and you have no way to wash them. There's no running water nearby. And you don't want any contaminants to get in your food. You don't want to get sick. Well, I mean, it's a simple, there's no life-shaking science I'm going to offer you. It's a fork and it's a spoon, right? You're used to it. I just add this as a, complimentary bonus in my packs. And I think it's very self-explanatory. But the big thing here, okay, is that this is convenient. This is extremely light. Once again, when I create these packs, these survival kits, the go bags, whether it's a sling or a backpack, my backpacks go anywhere from 20 liters to 60 liters. And I can even get bigger than that depending on if you're buying it for your company, for a family of 4 or 6. So light, right? Light is important and something that is robust. I want my things to last you. Every product that I sell, I'm hands-on with. I am the quality assurance for literally each and every item that I pack each and every time in your bag. So that is the level of service you're getting. So once again, this is a spork. It's nice and light, self-explanatory. Use it for eating. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, share, and stay safe. Have fun out there.